Amaphoyisa aphoqeke ukuba asebenzise isisi esikhaliso nyembezi uhlakaza iqulu labantu. Izakhamuzi bezifuna ukungena ngodli enkantolo namhlanje zizibonele Abasolwa.
This is unacceptable. The police is getting out of control. Firstly, we came to come and support a little girl.
We have to go and represent us as the resistance of Sandana by magistrate.
Where was the police the time we shouting for Joshlin? Where was the police? They was never there.
Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa Western Cape ujenene Thembisile Phathekile washayele ihlomba amaphoyisa ngomsebenzi awenzile ukulawula isixuku.
What started now was when people were trying to pull that fence out because they want to get in. Can you imagine if there was no fence? What would have happened?
Abasolwa abathathu kulelicala bagcine besilaxaza isicelo sabo sebheyili ngenxa yokushuba kwesimo ngaphandle kwenkantolo. Umsolwa wesine lihoxisiwe icala abhekene nalo. Umphakathi ke ukhala ngokuthi lushaya ngolonwabo uphenyo kulelicala njengoba sekuyophela inyanga uJoshlin Smith engaziwa ukuthi ukuphi.
It's often said that the wheels of justice turn slowly, but I can confirm that it does turn. And in that regard, we are working with the South African Police Service to ensure that this matter is actually concluded. We all want to find Joshlin. We all want to ensure that she is returned home.
Izinhlangano zomphakathi bezinkanise ngaphandle kwenkantolo zithi zifuna ubulungiswa. Icala lihlehlele umhlazi 13 kuNhlaba.